Hello, welcome along to another 60 Sec Tech. My name's James, and today we're going to talk about one of the biggest cliches in IT. Have you tried turning it off and on again? I think basically if you've ever used a computer, you've probably heard that phrase. But why? Well, in the olden days of Windows, what would happen is when you shut that machine down, it would unload all of your applications and turn your machine off. The next time that you turned it on after giving it 10, 20 seconds, whatever you were advised to do, what would happen is Windows would reload from scratch, and then when you opened your applications, they would all start up afresh. But that's changed. So since Windows 8, Microsoft have introduced something called a fast startup option. Now what this basically does is when you shut that machine down, it will create a small file so that the next time you start the machine up, it loads that little bit faster. Think of it as putting a bookmark in your Windows session at the time that you close it down. When it starts up again, you can open that book at exactly the same page and you can carry on where you left off. Now that's good, but it does mean that any of the errors that were already there in your Windows operating system at the time, or in any applications of course, it means they're going to reload with that file. And that means you're not going to have solved it by shutting that machine down. So what do you have to do? The restart option is now the one that actually unloads everything, shuts the machine off, and then reloads everything. So if you are finding that your machine is a little bit slow, a little bit sluggish, applications are behaving strangely, Windows itself isn't quite showing things the way it should do or doing what you're asking it to, give it a restart. That will probably cure the issue for you. I hope this 60 Sec Tech was helpful to you. Give it a go next time your machine starts to behave strangely or a little bit slow. See how you get on.